तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? क्या तुम्हें चोट लगी है? Did you get hurt? Did you get hurt? कृपया निराश न हो। Please don't be upset. Please don't be upset. कृपया उदास या दुखी न हो। Please don't be sad. Please don't be sad. क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? यह मेरा मोबाइल है। It's my mobile. It's my mobile. यह किसका मोबाइल है? Whose mobile is this? Whose mobile is this? यह मोबाइल मेरा है। This mobile is mine. This mobile is mine. क्या यह आपका है? Is it this yours? Is it this yours? यह आपका मोबाइल है। It's your mobile. It's your mobile. यह मोबाइल आपका है। This mobile is yours. This mobile is yours. तुम इतने निराश क्यों हो? Why are you so upset? Why are you so upset? तुम्हारी छोटी सोच है। You have cheap mentality. You have cheap mentality. हेलो, कौन है? Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? मेरे घर के पीछे एक बगीचा है। There is a garden behind my house. There is a garden behind my house. वहाँ मेरे अलावा और कोई नहीं था। There was no one there besides me. There was no one there besides me. इस महीने 2 कत्ल हुए हैं। There were 2 murders this month. There were 2 murders this month. इस महीने 2 हत्याएं हुई हैं। There were 2 murders this month. There were 2 murders this month. वे अंग्रेजी सीखने को तैयार हैं। They are willing to learn English. They are willing to learn English. हमने मुनाफे को अपने बीच बांटा। We shared the profit among us all. We shared the profit among us all. हमें गति सीमा का पालन करना चाहिए। We should observe the speed limit. We should observe the speed limit. हम आमतौर पर 7:30 बजे नाश्ता खाते हैं। We usually have breakfast at 7:30. We usually have breakfast at 7:30. इस सप्ताह कौन सी फिल्में लगी हुई हैं? What movies are playing this week? What movies are playing this week? तुम्हारा दोस्त कितने बजे घर वापस गया था? What time did your friend go home? What time did your friend go home? आप रोज कितने बजे उठते हैं? What time do you get up every day? What time do you get up every day? तुम रोज कितने बजे उठते हो? What time do you get up every day? What time do you get up every day? तुम रोज कितने बजे उठा करते हो? What time do you get up every day? What time do you get up every day? तुम नाश्ता कितने बजे लोगे? What time will you have breakfast? What time will you have breakfast? तुम लंदन से कब वापस आए? When did you get back from London? When did you get back from London? तुम्हें क्या लगता है खिड़की किसने तोड़ी है? Who do you think broke the window? Who do you think broke the window? कल मौसम अच्छा होगा क्या? Will the weather be good tomorrow? Will the weather be good tomorrow? तुम अगले महीने अमेरिका जाओगे क्या? Will you go to America next month? Will you go to America next month? आप एक और कप चाय पीना चाहेंगे क्या? Would you like another cup of tea? Would you like another cup of tea? तुम यह किताब नहीं पढ़ो बेहतर होगा. You had better not read this book. You had better not read this book. तुम्हें बच्चे पर नज़र रखनी पड़ेगी. You must keep an eye on the child. You must keep an eye on the child. डॉक्टर ने उसे सिगरेट न पीने की सलाह दी. The doctor advised him not to smoke. The doctor advised him not to smoke. कानून के मुताबिक सभी मनुष्य समान हैं. The law says that all men are equal. The law says that all men are equal. प्लान अब तक कामयाब रहा. The plan has been successful so far. The plan has been successful so far. विमान 1 घंटे में उड़ान भरेगा. The plane will take off in 1 hour. The plane will take off in 1 hour.